In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw funds from Axiom Pro the safe way, using a Solana address from a wallet you control. In the top right, tap your balance, choose withdraw, and enter the amount, max if you're moving everything. Next you'll need a Solana, SOL, address from an external wallet. Trust Wallet is a common option, but any wallet that supports Solana works. Open your wallet, find Solana, hit receive, and copy the SOL address, then paste it into Axiom Pro. Before you confirm, double-check two things. The network is Solana and the address matches. Crypto withdrawals are usually irreversible if you send to the wrong chain or typo an address. Also secure your wallet's recovery phrase offline. If you lose it, you can lose access to funds. Confirm the withdrawal, watch for the balance refresh, and verify the incoming transaction in your wallet activity. Subscribe for more clear, step-by-step crypto and app tutorials, no fluff, just results.